Hello everyone, it's Daisy Dreams here, and today we're gonna be going on a picnic. So, this is the outside for today, but first let's set up the blanket. Okay, so this is the blanket for the picnic. It's purple, like my hair color. Now we're gonna put the food on the blanket. The first food that we have is this little fruit salad. It comes from our generation. Try to be like as quiet as I can without whispering. The second food is macaroons. It came from the 2021 Barbie Dreamhouse. The third one is a donut with a koala on it. The fourth one is a donut with a cat on it. The fifth one are some M&Ms. And I'll go get some more food. The next food that we have is popcorn. Who likes popcorn? I do. It's so delicious. The next food is skewer. And the last food that we have is the banana. Now, let's eat. Now, we're gonna clear up the food in this. First, we have the fruit salad. Donut. Oh, teaching on it. Banana. Skewers. Popcorn. M&Ms. Koala donut. And the macaroons. Once we have cleaned up the food, now it's time to pull the table. The tablecloth. Before it, you start here. And you twist. and put it in the picnic basket. Thank you so much for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy joining my picnic with me. Bye!